And now for the last look. Back in 2011, the venture capitalist Mark Andreessen declared, "Software is eating the world." By that he meant software companies were infiltrating large swaths of the physical world and conquering analog industries. Netflix disrupted movie theaters and video rentals. Apple and Spotify rendered CDs obsolete. Amazon, despite shipping physical goods from warehouses, was fundamentally a software company dislodging traditional retail. Even cars had increasingly become software on wheels. More than a decade later, venture capitalists Paul Kedrowski and Eric Norlin ask in a recent blog post why software is taking so damn long to finish eating. They argue software could be much more widely deployed if it weren't so expensive to produce. Along comes ChatGPT, made by OpenAI. It's a cheap, powerful software that could disrupt a host of industries. It can answer all kinds of questions and write everything from marketing materials to news articles to legal documents. It can also supercharge existing software. For example, Salesforce has integrated ChatGPT into its Einstein Assistant tool. When a sales rep is put on a new account, the chatbot can provide an overview of the company, find contact information for the right people, and compose a personalized email, then make the email less formal if needed. Instacart has debuted a ChatGPT function that suggests a recipe, turns it into a shopping list, and pre-populates the items to add to your shopping cart. Simply put, ChatGPT is an amazingly versatile software. Anyone can use it, though it often takes some skill to craft the perfect prompts. That's why a new job has sprouted up called prompt engineer for people who are adept at writing prompts. These may be English majors rather than computer scientists, but they are a new kind of tech wizard. The wizardry reaches a whole other level when you consider that chatbot software can be used to create other software. After all, chatbots generate writing. Computer code is a kind of writing. So now someone can build their own software simply by feeding prompts to ChatGPT. Tesla's former head of AI, Andrej Karpathy, who also helped found OpenAI, proclaimed, "The hottest new programming language is English." The implications are huge. Kedrowski and Norlin argue a software industry where anyone can write software, can do it for pennies, and can do it as easily as speaking or writing text is a transformative moment. They compare this to the moment microchips and internet access started to become widely available, unleashing astounding innovation. Software development using ChatGPT is in its infancy, but people have found it can make simple programs that highlight words or randomize a list of names. One developer wrote a program using ChatGPT to interface his smart home with ChatGPT.
Just noticed that I'm recording this video in the dark in the office. Can you do something about that?
Turning on the lights for you.
Of course, at this early stage, chatbots have major limitations and make mistakes all the time. And some programming tasks may always be too complex or creative for AI to handle. Still, think about how the world might change if anyone can build a simple app by writing a few prompts in plain English rather than hiring expensive software engineers. It is the ultimate democratization of software. And even if you do need humans to write some pieces of software, you'll need fewer of them. In June 2021, GitHub and OpenAI introduced Copilot, an AI tool that works alongside programmers. It suggests code the way your phone suggests the next word, or your email service suggests a reply. According to GitHub, developers are finding Copilot so helpful that it's writing an average of 46% of their code. Programming is quickly becoming a lot easier, which means cheaper, which means much more plentiful. In 2017, the CEO of chipmaker NVIDIA said, "Software is eating the world, but AI is going to eat software." That future is starting to come into view, and it could transform society in ways we cannot even fathom today.